Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, today in this video I will tell you how to fix iPhone showing no caller ID for incoming calls. So guys, if your iPhone is showing no caller ID for your incoming calls, it's likely due to how the caller's number is being presented. But don't worry, in this video I will give you some steps to troubleshoot and potentially resolve the issue. So guys, without wasting your time, let's start the video. Our step number 1 is to check caller settings. Sometimes the issue might be on the caller's end. They may have intentionally hidden their caller ID. Ask the caller to check their device settings to ensure that caller ID is not set to hide or no caller ID. After this, then you have to do is restart your iPhone. A simple restart can often fix these type of issues. Turn off your iPhone by going to the settings, scroll down and then tap on general. Again scroll down and then tap on shutdown. Shut down your iPhone and then restart it after 15 to 20 seconds later. After restarting your iPhone, then you have to do is update your iOS version. Ensure your iPhone is running the latest version of iOS. Software update often include bug fixes and improvement that can resolve issues like this. You have to open the software update and check if there is an available update for your iPhone. If there is, then simply update your iPhone to the latest version of iOS 17. So guys, after updating your software update, then you have to do is simply disable the do not disturb mode. Make sure do not disturb mode feature is not enabled on your iPhone. When do not disturb mode is enabled, it can silence calls and suppress caller ID. To disable it, you have to simply swipe down from the top right corner of your screen to access to the control center, and you can see your option do not disturb. Simply tap on it and disable it. If disabling this and trying all of these steps and you're still facing the issue, then I will suggest you to do reset your network settings. Resetting your network settings can sometimes resolve connectivity related issues that might affect your caller ID display. To do this, you have to simply scroll down and then tap on transfer reset iPhone, tap on reset network settings, enter your passcode and fix your issue. So guys, these were some simple steps at how to fix iPhone showing no caller ID for incoming calls. If this video helps you, then make sure to like and subscribe my YouTube channel for upcoming videos, and thanks for watching.